the limits in a cat. Down your road. Oh, that is a Supra. Oh my God! JR, what's going on? I'm glad to my friend, I'm a mechanic. I would have a call to a truck. Like and subscribe to the limits. Q is fancy with that new G82. Oh my gosh, look how the mirrors fold out. Look at that interior. Rich. Tell them my rich friends them. Start it up, rich friend. Woo. My turn. Start up the slow cat. JR, start up the beast, JR. Start up the beast. Look, we hear the beast. Okay. Slowest car here. Slowest car here tonight, guys. Alright, one pepper. Alright, one pepper. Yeah. Outside. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. We're about to do a little nice cruise, you know what I'm saying? The stars in the roof. But yeah, we're about to have some fun with the guys. I know you guys miss Hellcat, so you know we're gonna have some Hellcat content. Fast guy! Come on now, baby. To the limits in a cat. Yo, huh? To the limits in a cat? What? To the limits in a cat? Shovel down. Down your road. Braking on this. Yeah. You bro, you hear JR pop? Supra. Oh, that is a Supra. Supra. Trouble? You see the Supra? Yeah, I see the Supra. You see the Supra? It's got a tire on the back. Mark 4. Trouble! Yo, brother. Trouble outside. Oh my God! One more time. You're the one them! One more time. Yo! Yeah. Is that good or bad? Bad? Take your time then, G. Yes, lad. You right down there, so. After I run left the Supra. After the Supra run left me, correction. Me tell him, I stop at a gas station and check it out. Supra? Oh, I'm gone. Oh gosh, is it this gas station? I'm not sure, no. Bro, the Supra just run left me. Wrong one? Yo, the Supra just got me. Yo, that was lit. Yo, that was lit. Bro, the Supra just got me, dog. Yo, you see it just roll up me? Bro, yo, this shit just run left me, bro. JR, what's going on?
What's going on?
The oil, something not connected?
Arizona?
It's not a lot of oil.
Ah, the oil, yeah. Oh my gosh, guys, I hope you guys gonna enjoy this video, man. We tried to keep up with the Supra. That did not work. Oh my gosh. We tried it. No, this slower than my whole Hellcat. My Hellcat while spinning would be right beside this. Once they grip it, I just walk it from this. Count it off. Set off. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That Mustang was in the way, bro. Oh, the light got changed. I want pen. I want the box that I want tonight.
Every turbo car.
This is why you don't modify your cars, people. Yo, what happened? What the heck? John, oh, I'll go on tonight, brother.
Everybody car breaking down.
Ciao. GoPro not that space. 360 camera not that space.
No speed?
Yeah. Your dog got fix it, do you? Your dog got fix here for it. What an interesting night, guys. We had to return the Celica. We parked the Celica over my house because the Celica started squirting out too much oil. And then, no, the Integra, hear about Integra, the TSX, what did it be? TSX fuel line come off after the man just buy a full tank, I guess. Some crazy shit. I'm glad to my friend, my mechanic, I would have a call to a truck.
Just that. I just this a leak in my regulator.
Huracan, Wraith, and over there I seen an NSX and a Porsche.
Revolto?
NSX.
Revolto?
A Revolto. Oh shit. Alright, it was worth it. It's my first time seeing a Revolto in person. Sheepy Race Huracan. Yeah, they got some toys, some fast toys. Ooh, 570. C806.
M3.
Yeah, they got some toys. I'm happy we came. GTR.
34 GTR. Yo, this thing hurts my ears.
What?
This. It's dumb loud.
He
Like,
said this car hurts his ears.
Like when you drove past us,
Yeah.
literally my ears started ringing. I was like, what's ringing my ears?
This guy, bruh.
Stop pushing.
Got an R34, right hand drive too. Come on now, GTR. Another GTR. Huracan, Evo, GTR, Supra. Plus, if you guys haven't seen the Huracan Evo video on the channel, make sure you go check it out. We were pushing it to the limits for like 5 minutes, but yeah. 720. M4. Who missed the M3? By the way, it's sold, if you guys didn't know. I sold the M3. I was trying to buy a Gallardo, but then the next day the guy sold the Gallardo. So yeah, no Gallardo for me, no Lambo for me yet. M4, white. M2. And then Sylvia. Oh, gold wheels. S13? Or is that S13? No. Which one is it? Oh no, it looked like a 240. I don't know. I'm gonna have to ask JR. JR, what's this? 13? Oh, so I was right. It's 13. So Mr. Lamborghini himself gave us some VIP bracelets. So we're about to go upstairs and see what's happening. Red carpet. Yeah, watch it. Yeah. Team park up and know him out with the something. Alarm go off and him not start yet, eh?